everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be on this DIY all the time Dollar Tree succulent ideas. Ooh, that is a mouthful. But first and foremost, I do want to apologize for being MIA for the last couple of months. I am actually a part of the Disney College program at the moment, so I am living in Anaheim, and it took me quite some time to kind of get acclimated. But now that I am good to go, I'm hoping to get more videos up a lot more often. And if I have anything to add about the Disney College program, I will write that down below. And if you have any questions about it, please just go ahead and ask, and I'd be more than happy to answer those questions for you. So let's begin. So the first DIY is going to be the succulent picture frame. You just want to buy a couple of basic frames like the one you see here. It's just a basic black one. All we're going to do is remove the backs of each of the picture frames, and then you want to remove the glass and very quickly add some of your hot glue around the frame and add your glass back in there, and you're ready to start adding your stickers. So here are the succulent stickers I found that actually come with a wide variety of succulents per each pack. So one was more than enough for me, but you can definitely buy more if needed. So next we are just going to start cutting each one out individually. Lastly is sticking each of your stickers onto your picture frame. The way I like to go about it is just place them kind of eyeballing where I want them to be exactly and in the pattern. Then I go ahead and remove the backings from them and then stick them onto my picture frame. So here's basically everything else we're going to need for the rest of the DIYs. Just seeing them placed out on the table and knowing them that I got them for $1 was just pretty nice, to be quite honest. So here I'm just kind of separating them per each DIY. So the second DIY is going to be these super cute, super simple candle holder cacti you see here. So these cacti are actually pen holders, so you can definitely use it for that, but I thought I definitely want to use them for candle holders. So I just bought these flameless candles at the dollar store, but I ended up using some taller ones just because I found those to be a little too short. So you just pop your candles right on in there, but those seemed a little too low for me. I couldn't see the flame as much as I wanted, so all I did was just kind of crumple up a piece of paper and throw it in that cacti pencil holder just to kind of give my candles a little bit of height, and that was actually perfect for me. So you do have a couple options there depending on the height you want your flame to be. I would go with the flameless candle, to be honest, just in case, because it is plastic in there opposed to glass. And there you have your super cute cacti candle holders. So the third DIY are the succulent plant holders. Air quotes around the plant holders just because these are magnetic containers. So all I'm doing is removing the backing of each of these succulents and removing them from the little actual planters they came in. And they ended up being my favorite just because these are magnetic storage holders. So I ended up using school supplies for the video, but I'm definitely going to change it up, maybe add some hair scrunchies or bobby pins, things like that, just because it can pretty much put anything in there. So once you remove the succulents from the backings of their clips or their actual planters that they came in, you're just going to use some hot glue just to glue them right into the storage containers, and that's pretty much it. So I absolutely love this DIY here. So the fourth and final DIY will be succulent magnets that you see here for a whiteboard. I don't know about you, but I absolutely love calendars, planners, to-do lists, and reminders. So I'm constantly kind of pinning things on a corkboard or onto my whiteboard, so I thought it'd be a A great idea to pretty much continue with the theme throughout the room with the succulents. So all I'm doing is removing, of course, the backing like I'm doing for everything else of these succulents, and then just adding a dab of glue onto my magnets, and that's pretty much it. And just like that, you have Tudor magnets ready to go, and you're ready to start posting on your whiteboard. As always, thank you for watching, everybody, and please subscribe.